Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Allow me to begin by introducing myself. My name is Livia Khairunisa, and I'm here today with my partner.
Sarsai Putri.
Together, we will walk you through a communication strategy that we believe successfully reposition a beloved Indonesian brand in the eyes of its young consumer. Today's presentation focuses on Indomie's campaign titled Hidupkan Inspirasimu. This is more than just an ad, it is a movement that embraces creativity, everyday authenticity, and emotional storytelling. Through this presentation, we aim to demonstrate how Indomie is not only maintaining its presence in the competitive food industry, but also reinventing its emotional connection with the new generation. We will begin with the brand's background, then explore insights from consumers, examine the concept of the campaign, and finally, take a look at how it's implemented through modern media. Let's begin by setting the context. Indomie has long been more than just a food product. Since its introduction in the 1970s, Indomie has become an integral part of Indonesian culture. It is seen on dinner tables, in student dorm rooms, at roadside market, and even in households abroad. It stands as a symbol of convenience, comfort, and familiarity. Yet, with the time, the landscape around the brands has evolved. Today's consumers are more health conscious, brand aware, and expressive in their identities. New players in the instant food market offer organic options, fusion recipes, and brand identities built around niche values. As a result, Indomie faced a new challenge. How can it maintain its timeless appeal while resonating with a generation driven by passion, authenticity, and personal creativity? The Hidupkan Inspirasimu campaign, launched around Indomie's 50th anniversary, answered the question by presenting Indomie not merely as food, but as fuel for inspiration, something that can be part of a creativity journey, however small or personal insight. From internal research, social listening, and direct engagement with young consumers, several meaningful insights emerged. We found that for Gen Z and millennials, Indomie is a part of everyday rituals, but its role goes beyond just satisfying hunger. For example, creators and small entrepreneurs often associate Indomie with late-night brainstorming sessions, moments of pause between creating and editing, or even spontaneous culinary experiments. The campaign showcases individuals who transform Indomie into donuts, art, fashion, and even eco-friendly crafts. What we saw is that creativity in their world is not always grand, it is grounded, homemade, and driven by personal expression. Indomie naturally fits into these moments. In a world flooded with artificial perfection, young people crave brands that show real life. They want stories that mirror their experience, their struggles, and their quiet triumphs. Through this campaign, Indomie taps into that desire by telling stories that feel like their own. With those insights in mind, we then reflect on their board challenge. Many brands today claim to be emotionally resonant or socially aware, but the key difference with Indomie is its exciting place in everyday life. It doesn't have to invent relevance, it simply needs to reveal what is already there. The challenge then is not creating emotional connection from scratch, it is highlighting it in ways that feel natural and empowering. The campaign turns everyday Indomie consumers into protagonists, where window owners would dream big, bakers who experiment with flavor, artists who see potential in packaging. By shifting the narrative from product to purpose, Indomie positions itself as an enabler of creativity. The opportunity lies in this authenticity and celebrating stories of everyday inspiration. Indomie strengthens its bond with the youth, not just as a product to consume, but as a brand that believes in them. Let's now talk about who this campaign is meant for. Our focus is clear: young Indonesians between the age of 17 and 35. This group includes students, freelancers, entrepreneurs, content creators, and community builders. They are digital natives. They live their lives on social platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. They are no longer passive consumers. They are storytellers, collaborators, and makers. And most importantly, they choose brands that reflect their identity. This audience sees food not only as sustenance, but as a part of lifestyle, belonging, and even ambition. For them, Indomie is more than a taste. It is a piece of their story. And through this campaign, Indomie aims to say, we see you, we support you, we're with you.
Now, let's delve into the heart of the campaign, the advertising concept. Hidupkan inspirasimu literally means ignite your inspiration, but its meaning goes far beyond the literal. The ad features a range of real-life characters: a Warmindo owner working hard to grow her business, a baker mixing Indomie with creativity to create unique donuts, a fashion designer inspired by Indomie's colors and textures, mural artists painting stories on walls, and eco-conscious creators transforming noodles wraps into a jacket and bags. These are not fictional heroes. They are people you can meet, you follow Instagram, or see in your own neighborhood. By placing them at the center, Indomie steps back and becomes a supporter of local talent and creative courage. The tone of the ad is genuine, warm, and quietly motivational. There's no exaggeration, just life captured sincerely. In terms of media strategy, the campaign is spread across multiple platforms to ensure it reaches our diverse and digital-savvy audience. Short TV commercial and YouTube ads deliver the emotional message in concise form. For social media, longer format mini documentaries explore the creator's stories in more depth, perfect for TikTok and Instagram Reels. These videos are crafted to feel native, not destructive. To further involve the audience, a user-generated content challenge under the hashtag Hidupkan Inspirasi invites people to share their own creative journeys with Indomie. This makes the campaign participatory, not just promotional. Behind-the-scenes content and creator interviews round out the experience, making the audience feel like part of the campaign, not just viewers.
Kalau ada Indomie, kepikiran apa ya?
Kan semua suka Indomie. Ya bikin Warmindo aja.
Orang kan suka jajan. Indomie dibikin jadi jajanan unik, bisa loh.
Dari Indomie, kenapa enggak dibikin jadi yang keren?
Kalau lihat Indomie, bisa jadi sesuatu yang nyeni juga.
Kalau kamu dari Indomie bisa jadi apa lagi ya? Hidupkan inspirasimu.
Let me share a sample of the advertisement to illustrate how the narrative unfolds. The video begins with a simple question. Kalau ada Indomie, kepikiran apa ya? This line immediately opens a door into the viewer's imagination. What follows is a montage, a diverse scene, it's vibrant and visually compelling. a baker carefully drizzling sauce over a donut, a fashion student stitching Indomie branded fabric into a jacket, a warm window vendor laughing with customer. Each moment is punctuated, not with loud slogan, but with thoughtful narration. The visual are dominated by warm tones, natural lights, and real environment. There's an intimacy that makes the viewer feel connected, as if these scenes could happen in their own lives. The ad concludes with a powerful invitation. Hidupkan inspirasimu. In conclusion, the Hidupkan Inspirasimu campaign is a masterclass in how to make a legacy brand feel fresh, relevant, and emotionally resonant. By choosing to celebrate real people, real stories, and real creativity, Indomie reminds us that inspiration does not require perfection, it only requires intention. With this campaign, Indomie becomes more than meal. It becomes a movement, quietly but powerfully affirming that creativity can begin anywhere, even with a humble bowl of noodles.
Thank you very much for your attention. See you.